missing number. In this problem, we're given an array nums containing n distinct numbers, and we have to return the only number in that range that is missing from the array. Now, for example, if we take nums as 3, 0, 1, you can see that 0, 1, the number 2 is missing. So we're taking whole numbers 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now, the logic that we're going to use for this is that we have to take the top three numbers starting from 0. All right. So our n will be 3. We have to take three numbers, right? Now, our array is 3, comma 0, comma 1, where the length is n is PRR dot length. All right. Now, the logic that we're going to use is we know that the sum of the first n natural numbers is n times n n plus 1 by 2. We're going to use the brackets so that our answer is safe. And we're going to store 0 into another variable s2. Now what we're going to do is we're going to access this array and I equals 0. We're going to iterate through this whole array and find a sum here, right? We're going to store the sum of 3, 0, and 1 in s2. How do we do it? We This is the syntax that we use, right? So 3 plus 1 plus 0, which is 4. 4 will be stored in this. This will become 4. And this will give the answer as 6 because 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 0 is 6. Now, just like this. Now we need to find the missing number, which will be sum minus s2. This will give us the answer is 2, which is the missing number in this array. Excuse me. So this is the logic that we're going to be using to solve this problem. Let's see. Int n is equals to nums dot n. Right? Now we're going to declare the sum of the first n numbers. Here n will be 3, since they are top three numbers, right? In sum, divided by 2. This will give us the sum of the first n natural numbers. Now, we have to take the s2 as 0 and iterate through the nums array. I hope you all know how to iterate through an array. Okay, let's just use 0 here. And now we have to store the value of every element into s2. When I will be 0, 3 will be stored in s2. When I will be 0, s2 will become 3. When I will be 1, 0 will be added to s2, which was 3, which will remain 0, which will remain 3. When I will be 2, 1 will be added to s2, which was 3, so it will become 4. Now we know that the sum will be 6 and the s2 will be 4. int missing will be sum minus st. Very simple problem. And then we just return missing. This is going to give us the missing number. Let's see. Let's submit the code now. Right. So this was the solution to this problem. Thank you. And let's meet in the next YouTube video.